So what's been happening? Well, between 2025 and 2026, Reddit rolled out mandatory age verification across multiple regions worldwide. And I didn't know this. Maybe you knew this, I didn't. But in the UK, since July 2025, there's age checks required for not safe for work content access. Fair enough, and I guess that comes in with all the additional other laws safeguard on for stuff that's NF or NSFW, so I guess that kind of makes sense. Did you know in Australia they are now doing mandatory verification for users 16 and under? Because obviously, of course, they banned the whole social media for youngsters in Australia. And now the next stage is they're looking at stricter rules expanding across the globe. Yep. And why is this? Well, part of it is that because Reddit has had a 14 plus million pound fine on them that has been imposed. And basically the problem is that self-declaration, like just stating your age, was deemed insufficient. And the requirement is that there has to be ID verification or biometric checks now expected as a standard. And the reason I bring this up is, imagine if there was a system out there that is starting to do age verification standards and people could just put in a random age. I wonder what the next step might be, and if this is an example of it. So basically, Reddit will partner with a third-party company. You'll take an ID of selfie, and it will be stored minimally. And Reddit states that data will be deleted after verification and is never stored. Right? And of course, users are worried about, being anonymous. What if there's data breach fears? Right? Are users going to self-censor if they feel like they're being surveilled? And are VPN guides going to become even more widespread to circumvent this? Reddit, of course, has come out and said, well, we don't keep it. It's minimal data. It's a third-party company which handles the processing. Don't know how that makes it better, but it does apparently. And it's a one-time check, so you don't have to verify each visit, so it's okay. I mean, I guess that makes sense. And of course, it's not just Reddit. It's across the globe of age verification that is reshaping the internet. And it's not just verifying ages, it's verifying who you are. We have the UK, Australia, the European Union, frameworks are in place there. The US is spreading by state. So, is this the future? Is this where we will be? Are we giving up safety and privacy for years to come? Are we now moving away from a best effort of people saying, hey, I am 18 years old and not just picking a random date here? And it will no longer be optional. Is Reddit the start of it? Who knows? And is this the right thing to do? Folks, be interesting to hear your comments below. As always, thanks for watching.